Today is Sunday, the 9th of August, 2026, and it is just past 7 o'clock in the evening, and I'm about to hit the road for today's shift. So stay with me, get a cuppa, relax, and ride along with me. Let's go. Let's get it done. Here comes my first ride of the day. In fact, it's a long one actually, from Woolwich to High Barnet. It's about a distance of 31 miles, and then the pickup location is 0.8 miles away and about 31 miles drive, and just over an hour drive. Let's get it done. Zion, yeah? How you doing? All right?
I'm good, thank you.
I see that you modified the trip. What did you do? Did you add that to it?
Yeah, there's one stop, one of my friends, it's literally on the way.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Right, okay, no worries. Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. That's trip number 1 completed from Woolwich to High Barnet. It was a distance of 31 miles. Took me over 1 hour and earned £43.64. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. The next trip of the day is another long one from High Barnet to Hanger Lane. Wow, a distance of 10 miles. Let's get it done.
Idris in the middle. Oh no, I'll be in the middle. And then Idris, you. Come on, move, hi, thank you.
No worries at all.
Come on, Idris.
I'm gonna shut the door.
Yeah, I'll shut the door. You hold on. Okay. Alright, boys.
Good.
Seatbelt
How you
on.
alright?
Hello, yeah, good, thank you.
Idris.
We're all in?
Oh, this one, Neil. Are you able to do okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. We're good.
Seatbelt on? Yeah.
Yep. We're good. The boys are buckled.
That's good. That's
That's
good. Cool.
16.
Yeah, it's good.
Is it 16?
From here, yeah.
Yeah, just yes.
Thank you. No worries. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, and the compliments on your driving. I
Oh,
love
thank-
it. My
oh,
husband,
thank you.
I always have to like, can you slow down? Can you not do this?
Oh.
Really appreciate you.
Oh, thank you.
driving.
That's
It
very
was
kind.
Smooth sailing.
Thank you very much. That's very kind of
Have a
you.
good evening.
And you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Well, what can I say? Happy customer she was, isn't it? That was a good compliment. I'm sure you guys will agree with me that that was a very nice compliment. Very nice from that rider. Anyway, that's trip number 2 completed. That was from High Barnet to Hanger Lane. It was a distance of 10 miles. Took me 26 minutes and earned £13.26. Moving on to the next one. Again, the next one is another long trip. I'm not sure what's happening tonight. I'm getting the long trips, but anyway, not complaining. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done.
How are you? All right?
I'm good, thank you. How are you guys? All right? That's good. It's Mukhtar.
Yeah. The end.
To the end, thank you.
The end, the park on the left. Those driveways and the driveway.
Cool. Can't even go out from here anyway. That's the end.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
No worries. Let's let here. That's trip number 3 completed. It was from North Acton to Wandsworth. The pickup was 1.5 miles, and the total mileage for this trip was 9.3 miles. Took me 32 minutes and earned £15.20. Moving on to the next one. Again, the next one, the next one is a short one actually, 3.3 miles. Let's get it done. Hello. Is that Cruz?
Yes.
How do you pronounce your name? Cruz?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Right, let's go.
Try here.
The right is good.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a lovely night.
And you. Cheers. Bye-bye. I'm currently in Brixton That last trip was from Wandsworth to Brixton. It was a distance of 3.36 miles. Took me 19 minutes and earned £7.60. And the pickup for that last trip was 0.8 miles. Moving on to the next one. Trip number 5. Let's get it done. Hello.
Hello, mate. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. That's great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
And you, cheers. Thanks, bye. I'm currently in Taunton Heath, which is around Croydon area. And the last trip was from Brixton Lambeth to Taunton Heath. It was a distance of 5 miles. Took me 24 minutes and earned £11.50. My next trip is 0.5 pickup from where I am, and it's a long trip, another long trip, taking me from where I am right now, which is in Taunton Heath, to Tottenham. Wow, that's gonna take me over an hour, I'm sure, and it's roughly about 70 miles. I can't remember, about 70 miles. Anyhow, from Brixton from Taunton Heath to Tottenham. Let's get it done.
No, you can't sit for that. Thanks. Hey, text me. We'll do. Bye.
Anyway, here.
Anyway, it's good.
Yeah, it's just by that side of the car right here.
Thank you very much. All right. Oh, you want me to go for that, man? It's good. I'm currently in Tottenham, and that last trip was from Taunton Heath to Tottenham, a distance of 16 miles. Took me just over 1 hour and earned £27.78. The pickup mileage for that last trip was 0.5 miles. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. Not sure what's happening tonight. Majority of the trips I've completed so far has been a long trip, about 10 miles or over 10 miles, apart from 2, and this new trip that I'm going for is another long trip, and guess what, it's taking me back to Croydon. So I'm going from Tottenham to Croydon. Anyhow, let's get it done. Hello.
How you doing, buddy? All right?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, guys.
Cheers.
Thank you. Good night. Thank you.
Cheers.
All right. I'm back in Croydon. Remember, I've been here before earlier in the day. That trip took me from Tottenham back to Croydon. It was a distance of 19 miles. Took me over an hour, 1 hour 13 minutes, and earned £31.93. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. Anyway, you guys all right?
All right.
Okay, let's go. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
And you guys, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Cheers. I'm currently in Croydon, and that last trip is a short one and is within the Croydon area. It was a distance of 2.8 miles. Took me 9 minutes and earned £6.29. Hello, hi, no worries. Had to go around and make a U-turn.
That's okay.
Sorry.
Thank you.
No worries.
I saw you coming here. I should cross the road.
That's fine.
Have a good night.
And you, thank you very
Well,
much.
talk to
It's
you.
a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.
I'm currently in Brixton. That last trip was from Croydon to Brixton. It was a distance of 7 miles. Took me 22 minutes and earned £11.78. Moving on to the next one. Again, that next trip is a long one, actually a long one. It's taking me from Brixton to Thamesmead. And I'm thinking, it might be the last job for the day, you know. But this very good one. Brixton to Thamesmead. Let's get it done. Hello. Can tell me, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Pin number is 46. Anyway, here's fine.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
All right then. Thank you very much.
Thanks, take care.
Cheers. All right, take care. Bye.
Alright, thank you.
No worries. Bye. I'm currently in Thamesmead. The last trip was from Brixton to Thamesmead. It was a distance of 14.15 miles. Took me 39 minutes and earned £22.99. Well, I'm done for the day, even though that wasn't my intention. That last job took me straight into Thamesmead from Brixton. I've only been online for about 8 hours or thereabout, but completed 10 long trips. You know, I mean, when I say long trips, over 10 miles. Basically, on a daily basis, I do about 20 to 25 trips, short trips, between 5 to 7. But for some reason today, the trips that were coming in were longer, 10 miles and above. And I completed 10 trips, of which 7 were above 10 miles. Anyhow, let's do the numbers. Just before I do the numbers, if you are wondering about any of the gear I use, you will find it linked in the description. Just so you know, they are Amazon affiliate links. So if you buy through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's an easy way to support the channel. Online time, 8 hours. Driving time, 7 hours, 13 minutes. Trips, 10. Tip, £3. Mileage, 112 miles. EV charge, £18.20. Gross earnings, £191.97. If you are still watching me, thank you. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to do just that. Remember, hustle, no dey finish. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and I shall see you in the next episode.